Best radiator stop leaks for effective car maintenance. Radiator leaks are a common issue for car owners. A leaking radiator can cause engine overheating, which can lead to costly repairs if left untreated. Finding the right radiator stop leak product can save you time and money. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best radiator stop leak products available today. Each of these products has B. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. K-Seal ST5501 Multi-Purpose One-Step Permanent Coolant Leak Repair. K-Seal ST5501 is a highly regarded product that stands out for its ability to repair coolant leaks in a variety of automotive systems, including radiators, heater cores, and water pumps. It is designed for a quick one-step application, making it incredibly easy for anyone to use, even without mechanical experience. This product is a popular choice for those in need of a fast and effective solution to radiator leaks. The beauty of K-Seal lies in its versatility and the fact that it can be used in all types of vehicles. It forms a permanent seal without the need to drain the coolant, and it works within minutes of being added to the radiator. Many users report that K-Seal stops leaks quickly, often preventing the need for an expensive radiator replacement. Number 2. Bars Leaks E1109 Block Seal Liquid Copper. Bars Leaks E1109 Block Seal Liquid Copper is another great option for repairing radiator leaks. Known for its high-performance capabilities, this product works by sealing leaks in the radiator, engine block, and cylinder heads. The key ingredient in this product is copper, which is effective at filling gaps and creating a durable seal. One of the major advantages of Bars Leaks 1109 is its ability to handle high temperatures, making it ideal for vehicles that experience extreme heat. The copper particles in the formula bond to the surfaces of the leak, forming a strong and reliable seal that prevents coolant from leaking out. Number 3. Permatex 30301 Radiator Repair. Stop Leak. Permatex 30301 Radiator Repair. Stop Leak is a popular choice for drivers looking to seal small leaks and cracks in their vehicle's radiator. This product is specifically designed for radiator repair and is formulated to stop leaks in both aluminum and plastic radiators. It works by forming a permanent bond with the surfaces of the leak, effectively sealing it. One of the standout features of Permatex 30301 is its ability to withstand high pressure and temperature variations, which are common in automotive cooling systems. It's ideal for addressing minor radiator leaks, and it's easy to use. Simply pour it into the radiator, and the solution will work quickly to seal the leaks. Number 4. Bars Leaks 1196 Radiator Stop Leak 11 ounces. Gray Bars Leaks 1196 Radiator Stop Leak is a more concentrated formula that's designed to quickly seal leaks in your radiator and cooling system. This product is ideal for larger leaks and more significant cooling system problems, offering a higher volume of treatment to address more serious issues. It's formulated to work with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile option for many car owners. Bars Leaks 1196 is unique because it's a gray liquid solution that coats the inside of the radiator and the entire cooling system, sealing cracks and leaks effectively. It's designed to restore the integrity of the radiator without causing additional issues, and it works quickly to stop leaks from continuing. Number 5. Bluetable Products 49499 Oil Stop Leak 8 ounce. Bluetable Products 49499 Oil Stop Leak is designed to work on both oil leaks and radiator leaks. This product is particularly useful if you're dealing with a combination of engine oil and coolant leaks. Bluetable is well known for its high-quality leak stop solutions, and this formula is no exception. The Oil Stop Leak formula works by reconditioning seals and gaskets, preventing coolant and oil from leaking out of the radiator or engine block. The product is engineered to stop leaks in your vehicle's cooling system without causing harm to the engine or radiator. It's a quick and easy solution to reduce the potential for overheating due to leaks. While this product is primarily marketed for oil leaks, it also works wonders on coolant leaks, making it a versatile option for those looking to address both issues. Bluetable Products 49499 is a great preventative solution, helping to prolong the life of your engine and radiator while maintaining the proper cooling system pressure. Number 6. Bars Leaks High Mileage Engine Repair It 16.9 ounces for older vehicles with high mileage engines. Bars Leaks High Mileage Engine Repair. It is a fantastic option. This product is specifically designed for older cars that may be experiencing a variety of issues due to age, including radiator leaks. It works to stop leaks in the radiator, cooling system, and engine block while also improving the overall performance of the engine. Bars Leaks High Mileage Engine Repair. It works by rejuvenating seals and gaskets, preventing coolant from leaking and improving the flow of the radiator system. It's designed for high-mileage vehicles that need extra protection from wear and tear. The 16.9 ounces size ensures that you have enough product to handle larger systems and more extensive repairs. This product is also helpful for reducing engine temperature and preventing overheating, making it an excellent choice for drivers with older vehicles that are prone to cooling system problems.